Tired of stressful road rage moments that escalate too quickly? The Flick offers a fresh, safe way to communicate with other drivers without risking your safety or breaking the law. With just a click, you can send clear, non-aggressive signals that replace dangerous behaviors like brake checking or yelling. It's a smart tool designed to keep your cool on the road while adding a bit of humor to tense situations. What sets Flick apart is its full compliance with U.S. traffic laws. Featuring amber-yellow, non-flashing lights, it's legal in most states, so you won't have to worry about getting pulled over. This makes it the first car and truck accessory that not only helps calm road rage but also keeps your driving experience fun and stress-free. It's the perfect blend of safety and entertainment for any driver. One of the best features is the automatic brightness adjustment. Whether you're driving under bright sunlight or cruising at night, the Flick light adjusts its brightness for optimal visibility without blinding other drivers. This thoughtful design ensures your message gets across clearly, day or night. If you know someone who gets frustrated behind the wheel or loves cool car gadgets, this makes an excellent gift. Mounting the Flick couldn't be simpler. It comes with adhesive Velcro strips that securely attach the hand unit to your interior back window. The remote control sticks safely to your dashboard or keychain, keeping it within easy reach. No complicated installation, no permanent fixtures, just straightforward setup that lets you focus on driving. Users across the U.S. rave about how the Flick adds a little fun to their daily commute. One driver shared how it's bright enough to be seen from a distance and how the remote control feature makes it easy to use without distraction. The reactions from other drivers are priceless, turning frustrating moments into lighthearted exchanges. It's a small device that makes a big difference in managing road tension. If you're looking for a practical way to handle aggressive drivers while staying within legal limits, the Flick is worth a look. It's not just a gadget, it's a tool that changes how you interact on the road, making driving safer and more enjoyable. Plus, it's a conversation starter that adds a bit of personality to your vehicle. The package includes the Flick hand unit, batteries not included, and a remote with batteries included, both equipped with 3M Velcro adhesive strips for easy mounting. You get everything you need to start diffusing road rage right away. If that's you, ready to take control of your driving experience with a touch of humor and safety, try the Flick when you're ready.